Hi, I am Rohit.
And I'm Ashwarya.
Once again, we are here at day 2 of Technics. We started our day with opening of direct competition event which was Crypt Jam and Decrypt.
We have completed all the final rounds. We have talked with the event coordinators and this is what they have to say.
Hello everyone, I am Deepika Samant Sinhar, coordinator of Project Mania Technics 2K17. This event has been introduced first time in Technics 2K17 and this is theme based event and its theme is Raspberry Pi with IoT. And we have total 16 teams, out of which 13 are from outside Nagpur and 3 are from Paloti.
Actually, Overdrive is a robo racing event. You have to construct a bot, and that bot has to complete the arena within minimum time and with maximum points. And points are based on the obstacles. That each obstacle carries 10 marks.
I, Sanket Kohikar, I, Chaitanya Tiwari. We are both the coordinators of CraneBot 2.2 event. This event is all about picking and placing the boxes and the smiley face balls. Okay. We have holes in our planks that we have to place the pick up the boxes and then placing the holes, and then a path will be made from which the bots are going to cross.
Hello everyone, my name is Ankita Goswade. I am the coordinator of Waterfront. In the history of Technics, we have first time introduced the hand gesture robotics. Basically, this robot is being controlled by hand gesture.
This is a hacking plus fun event where hacking doesn't need any technical knowledge, but you need logical skills as well as internet. Okay, so we will be providing the internet. They need to use their logical skills, their brain, and crack the answers and insert that answer into the software. If they get successful in doing so, they will advance to the levels as well as win also.
Okay, our event name is GameSlog. In this event, it is a totally gaming event. In this event, we take 5 games that are Minimalacia, Counter-Strike, NFS, FIFA 16 and Smackdown Pain. So overall response is totally good and participants are near about 270.
In first round, there are 2 bots start at a time. First start from this point, second start from this point. They have to end in center. According to time base, we find our next participant in in second round we increase the hurdles. In third round we play the soccer game in water. This is new concept for water robotics.
Crypt Jam is a fun-oriented decrypting game, and this time we had a total number of participants is 290 plus, and from outside we have maximum 6 groups.
Hello, good afternoon and welcome to Robo Soccer 2.0. Myself, Justin Castellino, the coordinator of Robo Soccer. This event was conducted last year also. This is a legacy event of St. Vincent Pallotti College. But this time, this event is for Polytechnic and engineering students separately. This is a competitive event where 2 bots clash against each other. And for this year, we are having a finalist from Bhusawal and one from Mumbai.
Okay, you are here at Technics and participated in Project Mania. Tell me something about your project.
We are students of Sinhgarh College of Engineering. I am Shrikar Sangam and this is Sagar Shetty, and we are here to participate in this project, and our project is basically based on a virtual reality robot with which we want to achieve surveillance in harsh environments.
Okay, brother, you have been the part of Technics. Tell me something about Technics and the event you participated.
Hi, this is Shagun from Rustomjee College of Engineering from Mumbai. Like, I've been from here for last 2 days and this college has given us absolute best efforts from giving the best facilities to us. Like, even if the event coordinator is coordinating with us, this college is even providing us the accommodation, that too free, and that's the best thing of this college, I think so, because in FEST nobody gives any accommodation freeze, and this time they have given the best thing that they can give.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Akshay Joshi.
And from where you are?
I am from Bhusawal.
And you two had the feel of Technics. Give us some feedback about Technics.
हम लास्ट 2 ईयर से टेक्निक्स अटेंड कर रहे हैं. लास्ट ईयर हम लोग काफ़ी कंपटीशन में जीते थे. इस बार हम ज़्यादा लोग और बड़ी टीम लेके आए हैं टेक्निक्स में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए. यहाँ का अकोमोडेशन फैसिलिटी और पिक एंड ड्रॉप फैसिलिटी बहुत अच्छा है. मैनेजमेंट भी बहुत अच्छा है इवेंट का, और ट्रैक्स वगैरह बहुत कुछ नया देखने मिला. हम बोल सकते हैं कि ये IIT लेवल का एक कंपटीशन हो सकता है.
The valedictory function started sharp at 4 p.m.
Grand finale. The valedictory function started with the speech of all the dignitaries.
Let's have a glimpse at the function.
There has been progress, yes, but not according to the changes that is taking place around us. We know that our country is geared towards what we call the smart city programs, smart India, digital India. In that, looking from that angle, these competitions of this sort should have much more events that requires technical competency at a bigger level. I'm very happy to stand here to just express my words of gratitude to each and everyone who are part of this great event. Right from the student coordinators, the staff, and non-teaching staff, and every single participant who has come here and enjoyed, competed, and have won or have gained experience for the next year.
This is all from TechNext 2K17. I am Rohit,
And I'm Aishwarya.
signing off from SVP Creating YouTube channel. Bye bye.